Hi, what the hell are they doing?
I don't know.
Damn it. I really don't understand. Damn it.
Hey, back.
Okay.
Hey, we have to wait a while.
Okay. Alright, let's go. Hold
Okay.
Hi.
Hey, Tony. Tony. Come here.
Hey, my friend, how are you? My gun, are you ready?
Don't worry. I have prepared everything already.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, okay, very good. Right, let's go.
Hey, check it out. You can.
Hey, check it out.
Come here. No. Hey,
Okay,
go
okay.
this way.
Hey, hold it.
Yeah, hey, how much?
$3 million.
Oh, yeah, very good.
No problem.
Alright, hold up. Let's go, let's go.
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
You guys, put your gun down.
Oh. Hey, little cut squad.
I don't know.
Squad. Hold on.
Fire.
Hey, run. Huh? My friend. Huh? Somewhere. My friend, what happened? Why is that?
Huh?
My friend, help me.
Tony, sweet.
Help me. My friend, help me. My friend. I'm sorry.
Very good.
Hey, Sutter.
Hey, somewhere. What happened?
Hey, what happened? How are you? Are you good? Help me. What happened? Sutter, shoot me. Why? He shoot me. Sutter. What? Sutter? Alright. Alright. Get your gun. Let's go. Alright. Let's go. Follow me. Sundu, close. Hey. Hello, hey. Where did you just go?
Oh, we go on to mission. They change gun. We did choose them.
Alright. I want to go inside and rent. Okay. What's wrong with you?
Huh? I don't know. But he looked hesitant.
Leave here alone. Do you
okay.
have anything else?
Nothing.
Okay, let's go. Alright, I'll say. Yeah, it's them. Fire! Let's go! Rose, who was they?
I don't know. They come back for revenge.
Okay, I spot you. Run inside. Rose, run! Hey, shoot them! Alright, follow me. Rose, do we not save him?
Okay. Huh?
Rose!
Sir? Huh? Sir?
Rose! Silly! Stop, Sunder! Stop now, someone, my friend. Why do you want to shoot me? The Queen let you go. No, I don't think so. You shoot me, but I'm still alive. I'm sorry for selling you out. I'm sorry for that. Because we are friends. Don't talk too much. Shut up. Let's fight like a friend. Okay, I agree with you. That's all. Okay. Hey friend, come here. No. Dummy. My friend, I'm sorry.